Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses Adeyemi. Yes, I'll be taking you through how to insert text into your timeline on a VN editor. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So if you want me to make any video, please don't hesitate to comment. So you click on the T plus sign button and you see two options, text and XRT file. So if you have your text saved on your phone, you can click on the SRT file, but we click on the title text button. So once you click on the T plus sign button, you see the options of the sample text that you can use. So there is a lot of templates, a default template that you see there, and you just scroll up and scroll up and scroll up. So you can choose the kind of one you wanted to use. But for us, we are going to click on the add a little bit of body text. So that is what we are going to click on. So you see several options, several templates which you can use as a default text template. So there is a lot you can use on the text template. So but I love creating my own myself. So we'll go to click on that, add a little bit of text to the body. So I'll click on that. So once you click on the add text, so you see the option for you to click on the font you wanted to use, and depend on the font you use. So just click on the font that suits your what you want to do. So there are a lot of options there that you can use. You can change the font size, you can change the color of the text, you can change the background, you can do as many things as you can on your text. So just follow through the way I created my text. Welcome to my palace. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.